Okay, we have next chapter that is known as polymorphism. If you see this term here, the term polymorphism has came from Greek word. Poly meaning it is many, morphism meaning it is a forms. If I have many forms, then I can call it as, it is a polymorphism, I can call it as. It creates structure that are capable of taking or using different forms. Very simple example we already experienced. Let us go and try to observe. You know, it is a mandatory argument. It is a mandatory argument. It is optional argument. Now I have here multiply is a function what you written. If I pass here multiply 3, 4, it is a one form. Only with 2 arguments I am calling the multiply. Here with 3 arguments I am calling the multiply. I can say this is a one form. I can say this is the other form. So I can say now multiply is following polymorphism property or not. Any object which has multiple forms, I can call that as a polymorphism property. This one is a simple example to showcase, hey, multiply I can take with 2 arguments, multiply I can call with 3 arguments. As they're able to follow multiple forms, I can say multiply is qualified for polymorphism. And this kind of things are needed in our day-to-day life, it is needed. Right? So this is called as function polymorphism.